Hey everyone, in this video we are going to discuss about Python data types. In this video we will be covering the data types on a high level. We will see the exact type, description and some examples. And in the next videos we will be discussing about each of these data types in detail and we will do some hands-on around them. So let us start with Python data types. So the first data type in Python is integer, that is int in Python. It represents whole number without decimals. For example, 10, 20, 21. So these are whole numbers and they don't have decimals. So they are called int in Python. The next data type is floating point, which is float in Python. They represent decimal or real numbers. For example, pi equal to 3.14, a equal to 2.1, 4.2. So these numbers have decimal in them. They are not whole numbers. They have fractional values. They have decimals. So they are represented by float data type in Python. Next data type is string, which is str in Python. It stores text or sequence of characters inside quotes. This example we have seen in previous videos also. We assigned a string or a sequence of character inside quotes to a variable and we printed its data type. So here name equal to Python. So Python is a string. It is str data type. Next data type is list, which is ordered changeable collection that allows duplicates. The two important words here are ordered and changeable collection. So lists are in a particular order. The elements inside the list are in a particular order in which the user or the programmer adds it. For example, fruits equal to apple, banana, mango. There is a particular sequence. So this list will maintain this sequence and it is changeable, which means we can add new values to this list. We can remove the existing values, okay? Or we can override the value also, which means list is a changeable collection and it allows duplicates also. So if we want to add mango two times, the string mango two times in this list, then that is also possible. List allows that. The next data type is dictionary, which is dict, dict in Python. It stores data in key and value pairs. So for example, student equal to name colon John, age colon 20. So name is key and John is value. Age is key and 20 is value. So key value pairs are stored in dict, which is dictionary data. Okay. The next data type is tuple, which is tube. It is ordered but unchangeable. We often get this question in interviews. What is the difference between list and tuple? Both are ordered, but list is changeable, but tuple is unchangeable. What does that mean? That tuple cannot change its values. Let's say here numbers we have assigned 10, 20, 30. We cannot add new values or remove. Okay. Tuple is unchangeable. Once you define it, it will remain as it is. It does maintain order like list. In list, we use square brackets. In tuple, we use parenthesis. And in dictionary, we were using curly bracket. The next data type is set, which is unordered collection of unique elements, which means the elements which we add to set will not maintain their order. They are unordered. Also, they have unique elements. If you add the same element multiple times, still it will be having one value in the set. If we add 30 one more time in this set, still this set will have 10, 20 and 30. The next data type is Boolean, which is bool in Python. It represents logical values, true or false. Okay. So in this video, we have seen various data types and their high level description. In the next videos, we will dive into these data types and do some hands-on and understand these data types in good detail. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.